Meaning of incubation period.
Incubation period.
Incubation period.
Incubation period.
Incubation period. The incubation period is the time interval between the infection of an individual by a pathogen and the onset of symptoms. During this period, the pathogen replicates within the host but does not yet cause any noticeable symptoms. The duration of the incubation period can vary depending on the type of pathogen and the individual's immune response. Understanding the incubation period is critical for controlling the spread of infectious diseases, as infected individuals can unknowingly transmit the pathogen. This period is essential to monitor during outbreak investigations to estimate the potential number of cases and track the progression of the disease.